welcome to Guyana versus Food, our first edition. Today you guys will be trying
Here. And
And chicken curry.
chicken curry or curry chicken? Because
Curry
no,
chicken.
it's chicken. No, it's chicken curry, man. I need to say chicken
Okay
curry.
guys, don't let's
Trinidad,
argue
Chicken curry,
about.
chicken curry, no problem. No problem.
Okay, before you guys start eating,
Yeah.
you will have to take 2 shots of tequila rose. Cheers. Yeah.
Alright, so cheers. We have to go where? Wow, this is
How was it?
Lovely.
Okay,
Went down smooth.
you guys could start digging in.
Oh my god.
So,
You gonna start first? You want me to start first?
ladies,
You guys could.
Okay, let's pray first.
gotta pray. We gotta do all
Close
this.
your eyes, close your eyes.
Like this.
Start.
That was fast.
No problem. Ready?
Amen. Alright.
Looking lovely.
Very soft.
Take your time, take your time.
I'm gonna come from this one side. You want to taste first before me? No problem.
I think.
Spicy.
Very spicy.
Spicy, but
It is
but-
looking very, very good.
satisfying. Okay.
Mm.
Just rinse that glass here. Keep that down. Have a piece of the chicken.
Oh my god, this is very, very spicy. But it is good.
Perfect. You guys could handle it?
Yeah, man. Put down there. I love it.
Take your time. Take your time.
Right this right here. By the person who made this chicken curry.
Did a
was
very
done
good job.
Very, very good job.
Very good job.
Chef
Right.
Mauricia.
Chef Mauricia, your name?
Mauricio? Okay.
So tell me,
Very
what do
good.
you do for a living, Ezra?
Me? Well, my profession, I'm a mechanical engineer. I do like a mobile service, providing a mobile service for my customers. As in, you call me, you experience any problem on the road, what I would normally do, put some tools in my car, drive straight to you, rectify the problem, and then that's basically it.
How long have you been doing it?
Me, I started out as a mechanic since I was about 13, 14 years. So
Wow.
basically I have about 14 years experience, and it has been great so far. And I perfected it and it became a part of me. But now this curry,
It's a part of me.
is a part.
Oh my god.
This curry lovely. It's hot. If I could see a pour inspiring so much. Like what? Next time I'm gonna send some to everybody's house. And you're gonna experience this beautiful curry.
What about you, Nico? What do you do for a living?
I am a marketing representative at Fantasy Game Lounge, located there in Guyana.
Also, you were a model?
And I'm also a model. I'm a part of Impact Promotional Model Agency. If you don't know, check us out on Facebook.
If you actually why we this curry like this here, because this is how Guyanese is curry. With the hands,
Guyanese is curry.
and we just lick the fingers and everything. Just make sure we get every part of the taste right.
Correct.
Right. So I feed myself all the time, so I gotta feed this beautiful young lady at least one piece. One piece because we can't bring this so far. Or you can't treat this beauty so raw.
Are you guys familiar with each other?
Yes.
Yes, we have been modeling about 2 years together right about now.
So you're a model also?
Yes, I'm a model also. Part-time model.
But not in mine.
Oh my goodness. You have to say that. That was so rude. Like that.
Yeah.
Love that piece. My goodness, I love the way she did that. That was beautiful.
Okay, well let me.
That wasn't nice of
You
you.
like that?
No.
That's too bad. Too bad. What are you planning on doing after this?
We plan on doing after this. Probably gonna get more curry.
Curry.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. From Mauricio?
She could cook for me any day.
You want me to cook for you?
I would love that.
You sure? I think it might taste so good.
Why should I put nothing aside for the capture me? We could.
Okay, I'm gonna taste this chicken.
You like taste the chicken?
Yeah. Tastes very good. Is it the chicken? I like the chicken.
Yeah. Give me the finger, man. Put it up.
Take your time. Take your time. Hold on. Okay. You think I have enough? Yeah.
Yeah, I had enough for now. But when we finish, and be anxious, I'm just gonna close the chicken curry to the world. One of the best food in Guyana with roti.
Thanks for coming through today.
Thank
Yeah.
you for having us.